My name's Susie Slingsby and I am lucky enough to be the Head of Sales and Relationships at Zepto, so I get to look after all of our fabulous customers as well as welcoming new ones to our business. At Zepto, customers really are at our core. Let's be frank, without them we wouldn't have a business. We work in the payments industry and it's changing so rapidly and it evolves daily. No 2 days are alike, I would say. Maybe no 2 hours. So it's a really dynamic relationship that we have. Their requirements may change, and so we're adapting alongside to sort of streamline their business and bring efficiencies wherever we can. Zepto came into being because our founders were merchants that had a problem to solve, which was payments. They exited a business and the biggest pain point they had was processing payments. So they came in with the merchant mindset of there was a problem that needed to get fixed. And that's really core to the ethos at Zepto, that we want to understand what problems our merchants are having and how can we help them and build upon that. It's really core to us at Zepto. We're not just here to give you a solution out of a box. Here's our toolkit and all the things. We really want to go deep, understanding your business and bringing value wherever we possibly can. Everyone has a different requirement and a different use case. I think the things we really enjoy is getting right into their use case to see where we can add the most value, because what works for one doesn't necessarily work for another, even if they're in the same industry. So we really like getting into the nitty-gritty, understanding deeply and then aligning the best solutions to them. I'd love to say that things always go to plan, but we do work with technology. We also work in payments, and payments are very personal because there's not much that's more important than getting your money in a business. If something doesn't go to plan, we really have a world-class incident management team. So from the people that wrote the code to customer support to the security team to relationship managers, and we're there 24/7 in an incident. If something happens at 2 a.m, you will have humans onshore in Australia backing you up every step of the way. And that's really not an experience that you see widely in this industry. I think customers choose Zepto for a number of reasons. One, that we have the best solution in market. Two, that we do what we say we're going to do. So we work with our customers on what their use case is. We work through the solution for them, and we're there every step of the way. So it's a really hands-on relationship. And where we start with the customer is never where we end. So we're there for the journey, and that really ties us closely together. Our technology is not to be beaten. We've got a world-class engineering team and we're constantly innovating and looking at the what's next. So that's really, really critical in a payments world where everything's evolving so rapidly. At Zepto, we went really deep from a governance perspective as well. We were actually the first non-bank to become an accredited data recipient, and then we went deep and became the first non-bank connected institution to the MPP. And as you can imagine, there were some pretty large hurdles that we had to get through to get that status. And the team worked really, really hard to get that done, and we really are at a different level.